How do you determine whether a number is a solution of an equation? Okay, and we're talking about algebraic equations here. And a solution of an equation is a value of a variable that makes an equation true. Okay, so if you look at this, x plus 3 equals 5. X equals 2 is a solution of the equation because 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay, so the easiest way to tell if a given value is a solution of an equation is to take the equation. Here we have x minus 7/10 equals 4 3/10. And we want to know if 4 9/10 is a solution. So we're going to substitute it into the equation. 4 9/10 minus 7/10, and we're going to see if it equals 4 3/10. Okay, so you have to actually do the math here. Remember, when you're adding or subtracting decimals, you line up the decimal point. Okay, so 4 9/10 minus 7/10 is 4 2/10, and that is not equal to 4 3/10. So when x equals 4 9/10 is not a solution. I'm going to label that not a solution. Okay, let's look at a couple more. Okay, in this one we have 2/3 b equals 26, and we want to determine if b equals 21 is a solution of the equation. So up here we have a coefficient and a variable, and when you have a coefficient and a variable without a sign between them, it's always multiply. So we're going to do 2/3 times 21. Okay, I'm going to put that over 1 because 21 divided by 1 is 21. Doesn't change the value. And now we can do the numerator times the numerator. Okay, it's 42. 3 times 1 is 3. 42 divided by 3 is 14. 14 does not equal 26, so this is not a solution. Okay, so let's review the steps there. We substituted. We wanted to determine whether b equals 21 is a solution to this equation. Substituted 21 for b. Then I did 2/3 times 21. I got 14. 14 does not equal 26, so it's not a solution. Okay, in this one we have a fraction. And we want to know if k minus 3/5 equals 1/10 is our equation. And we want to know if k equals 7/10 is a solution. So I'm going to substitute 7/10 for the variable minus 3/5. And remember, when you're adding or subtracting fractions, you have to have a common denominator. Okay, so I'm going to 3/5 is equivalent to 6/10. So I'm going to do 7/10 minus 6/10 and get 1/10. Okay, 1/10 is equal to 1/10. So k equals 7/10 is a solution to this equation. Okay, so remember, a solution of an equation is a value of a variable that makes an equation true. Okay, you can substitute the value for the variable and see if it makes the equation true. Okay, and always make sure your answer makes sense.